Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Trieste Sofa Range. In the Trieste Sofa Range we will find an armchair and a large corner unit. There are also pieces such as a 3-seater, a 2-seater, a footstool and medium corner unit available for a custom order. Stocked in this beautiful charcoal grey and accented by a combination of velvet and pattern scatter cushions featuring a gorgeous oak leg. The Trieste is available for a custom order in a selection of fabrics and we can view those on a colour swatch in our stores. There is also an option of a mahogany leg. The frame is carefully carved from a hardwood and the seat cushions are filled with a blend of foam and fibre, providing us with superb comfort and support. We have a classic looking sofa here accented by a low arm design, giving the Trieste sofa a lot of interest. Measuring at 100 cm in depth, the Trieste sofa offers us quite a deep seat. The full measurement of the Trieste corner sofa is 275 cm by 275 cm, making this the perfect sofa choice for a busy household. Transform your living space today with the Trieste Sofa Range by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.